Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Easy Maths with Amna. Today we are going to explain exercise 3.3 question number 2 from your class 9 math book, where we are given 4 diagrams and we are asked which of the following diagram represent function and of which type. Let's get started step by step. Before starting the explanation of the diagram, we just have to understand first what is the function. A function is a relation where each input has one output and one input it's not mapped to more than one output is known as a function. मतलब ये है कि हर इनपुट की एक आउटपुट होती है. If any input have more than one output तो वो फंक्शन नहीं होता. Means that every input should not have more than one output. If any input have more than one output, then it's not a function. Let us first consider the figure 1. You can see clearly in your image that this is the input side. 1, 2, 3 input are the input values. A, B, C, D, these are the outputs. When we see the first input 1 have two outputs A and B. And we already discussed that if one input have two outputs or more than one outputs, it's not a function. So that's why the figure 1 is not a function. मतलब ये है कि हमारे पास पहली फिगर में जब हम गौर से देखते हैं तो हमारे पास 1 है, 1 इनपुट है, इसकी दो आउटपुट हैं और A और B. और ऐसा फंक्शन जिसमें वैल्यूज़ हमारी एक इनपुट की दो आउटपुट होती हैं वो फंक्शन नहीं होता. So figure 1 is not a function. Before starting the explanation of figure 2, I want to explain that what is a bijective function. It is a function with each input has a unique output and every output is used. Means every input की कोई ना कोई output होती है और every output की कोई ना कोई input होती है. It means that function is known as bijective function. Now let us consider the figure 2. A, B, C are the inputs. 1, 3, 5 are the outputs, and we can see clearly that every input have its unique output. Means A input have its output 1, B input have its output 3, C input have its output 5. So it is a function, and now we have to name the type of the function. It is a bijective function because every input have its unique output. So figure 2 is a function and the type of function is a bijective function. Now let us discuss figure 3. In figure 3 is the same like figure 2. You can see every input 1, 2 and 3 have its unique output A, B and C. One output have A, two output have B and three input have C output. It means that figure 3 is also a function and it is a bijective function, means that every input have its unique output. So figure 3 is a function and the type of function is a bijective function. An into function is a type of function where not all outputs are used. Some outputs are left out, no inputs goes to them. Means that ऐसा function जिनमें हमारे पास कोई output without input होती है known as into function. Now we discuss the figure 4. When we see clearly L, M and N are the inputs, X, Y and Z are the outputs. L have X input, M have X input, means that they don't have the unique output, means the both two inputs have same one output, and M have and Z output, means we don't have the unique outputs. That's why it's not a bijective function, and one output is left without the input, and a function in which a one output or more than one output left without the input is known as into function. Means that in any function one output is left without the input के बगैर होती है तो is that known as the into function. So it means that the figure 4 is a function and the type of function is into function. In this video we understand about the function and the type of function by using these figures in question number 2. If you find this video helpful, please comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Easy Maths with Amna. Allah Hafiz.